Hi everyone, salut, welcome to my channel. Today is the lesson 43 and we are still going to talk about the Passé Composé. A little tip before we begin: if you haven't watched the first two parts on the Passé Composé, it might be useful for you to start with that. Indeed, it will help you to fully understand today's lesson. You will find those two parts in the description or in the right corner of this video. So in this part 3, we will see how to construct the Passé Composé with pronominal verbs. It will be the first section. And then in the second section, we will see how to build the negation in the Passé Composé with non-pronominal verbs and then with pronominal verbs. I take this opportunity to remind you that we have already studied the pronominal verbs. It was in the lesson 40. Same, you can find the video in the description or at the top right. You probably remember some pronominal verbs such as se laver, se lever, se coucher, se promener, and so on. Let's start with the verb se laver. First thing, the choice of the auxiliary. As you remember from the lesson 41, you must choose the auxiliary être with pronominal verbs. This gives suis, est, sommes, êtes, sont. Secondly, the formation of the past participle. Here, this is the verb se laver. Its infinitive is in er. As a result, the past participle is in e, laver. Now, all we need to do is add the pronoun that always makes up a pronominal verb. We place it just before the auxiliary verb, which gives je me suis lavé, tu t'es lavé, il s'est lavé, nous nous sommes lavés, vous vous êtes lavé, ils se sont lavés. Examples: je me suis promené dans le parc. Elle s'est levée tôt. Vous vous êtes couché tard. Tu t'es perdu. Let's see now in the second section where to place the negation. First, with non-pronominal verbs, the negation must be placed around the auxiliary être or avoir. Examples: je ne suis pas parti. Tu n'as pas changé. Il n'est pas allé. Nous n'avons pas dansé. Vous n'êtes pas sorti. Ils n'ont pas parlé. And with pronominal verbs, the negation must be placed around the pronoun and the auxiliary. Examples: je ne me suis pas lavé. Tu ne t'es pas habillé. Il ne s'est pas levé. Nous ne nous sommes pas couchés. Vous ne vous êtes pas promenés. Ils ne se sont pas préparés. Scary, right? That's understandable. When you build your sentences, especially orally, there are so many things to take into account. So it really helps to do writing exercises and, most importantly, to do speaking practice. But hey, no stress. Even students from level A2 or B1 often make mistakes when they speak. Voila, the lesson 43 is now finished. In the next lesson, the lesson 44, we're gonna learn how to express time. It will be the part 4. Thank you for watching. Have a nice week and see you soon. Ciao. Bye bye. Salut.